Hey guys, it's Linda back again with another video. It's Budget Babe Tuesday, so I'm bringing you this week's Dollar Tree haul. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. The first items I'm going to show you are so fabulous. I found these in the electronics section. These are Sunbeam flexible LED desk lamps. So I got them in each color. They only had black and white. When I scanned this into my Walmart app, it said that these were valued up to $20 or 20 or more. So this was a really good find at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys just how great these are. Because they're LED lights, you'll never have to replace the bulbs, and that alone is a money saver. Not only do you not need to replace the bulbs, you also don't need any batteries. Usually when you buy lamps at Dollar Tree, they're battery operated. Just to give you guys a good idea, this is the lamp, and I'm gonna turn it on. It is so bright. Look at this. Super bright. I wonder if I should turn off my ring light so you guys can see how good this lighting is. Okay, so I turned off my ring light, and this is the desk lamp. Look at how amazing this light is on its own. Like, it's a legit LED professional light. And with the two that I got, I could even use both of them and use them to film. I mean, look at how clear this light is. It was such an amazing find. So like I said, I regret not finding more because I don't think that this is gonna last very long at Dollar Tree. But I have to say, this has been one of the best Dollar Tree finds in a really long time. Okay, so moving on, I found another Happy Planner sticker book. This is the one that I had been hunting for a while. So the other one, if you guys remember in a previous Dollar Tree haul, I found the watercolor book, and it had about like 1,000, you know, a little over 1,000 stickers. This one has over 1,500 stickers. So this one is the seasonal book. Look at this. It has all the holidays. There's just so many great stickers. I am so excited for this one. The next thing I found this in the art section. I've never seen this before, and it's a really good container. So this is a round organizer for beads, for, you know, people who make jewelry, organize their beads and charms. You put them in this, and they just kind of open up like that. They have like little individual quadrants or whatever you want to call them, and there's 6 compartments, 4 inches by 1 inch. And I just thought that this was a really good container to use. So the next items I found in the arts and crafts section was something so fun. These are paintbrush pens for glass and ceramic, and I got them in each color. How awesome are these? I'm not sure if you have to cure them after you put them on glass. You probably have to bake them or something. But look at how cool. You can make some custom mugs and glasses and canvases. This is by the brand Color Factory, and I don't know how much they retail for, but I believe you can find these at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and I definitely am sure that they're worth more than $1. I thought this was a really good deal. And for all my crafters out there, Dollar Tree has these. You have to swipe them up for yourself before they're all gone. I got pink, black, purple, blue, and green. So this will be fun to use. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna show you some really cute hair accessories that I found at Dollar Tree. First, I'm gonna start with these hair clips. How cute are these butterfly clips? They totally remind me of the butterfly clips that were on trend. Okay, I'm a millennial, so back in the 90s, we were all about the butterfly clips. I remember our clips moved though. They had like little springs on them, and the wings would move around. They were so adorable. I hope I can find those. I wonder if they're coming back. I would love to find those. But these were so cute. They had them in silver too, but like I said, I've said this before, I'm a gold girl. I just love gold. So I had to get myself the little gold clips. And I don't know, I'm thinking I might do a little butterfly look someday and then wear these on my hair. So Dollar Tree has been coming out with these really pretty kind of pastel colored hair accessories that look really like expensive. So I had to get these. They had these salon clips, and they are like a really nice like metal material, and they just feel really high end, like a salon clip. They have like these little teeth, and the bottom part is flat. So I thought these were really nice. They also had like a pastel pale blue, but I really liked this kind of nude color. And what I like about clips like this, if you can see how they're flat, these are really good for pulling your hair back while you're doing your makeup and not leaving that weird bump that sometimes clips leave, and then you're like, oh man, I messed up my hair. So this is good to put on the side here while you're doing your makeup. And I actually got these to put in my makeup kit because I can't tell you how many times I've been doing makeup and people's hair get in the way and they don't ever have anything. So I thought this would be perfect to use on other people, and because they're metal, they would be easy to, you know, sanitize and clean and reuse. So definitely look into these if you are a makeup girl and like to pull your hair away from your face. Or if you freelance, if you're a makeup artist, this is a good thing to have in your kit for your clients. Like I said, they've had a lot of these really pretty, you know, pastel nude colored matte hair accessories, and I found this really cool hair clip. It just caught my eye because the shape was so interesting and minimal. So I picked up the kind of nude pink one as well. And I really liked like the solidness. This is really sturdy, and it's like that same sturdy material. It's not like super cheap plastic feeling. So I picked myself up one of these. I like the shape. It kind of cracked me up because, again, back in the day, do you guys remember the bump its that we used to wear to give ourselves like that poof? It was really bad, but kind of reminded me of the bump it, and I just thought it was kind of cool. So I got that. So next I found a really cute nude headband. This one has like that knot type of look to it, and I just loved the material. I thought that this looks so, you know, minimal and just like very soft and pretty. I loved this. So I think that this is gonna look really nice on the hair. Like I'm thinking like nice soft waves and then just like a nice little pulled back moment. I think that this is really cute and pretty. So I just decided to get myself one of these headbands. Other thing that I got, so I found this cute lacy black cat ears headband. I got two. So one is for me and one is for my bestie because she, you know, loves black and lace, and I don't know, like the whole cosplay thing I think is just so adorable, and she's really into that. So I got this for her as well, and one for myself. I mean, you never know when you need a good pair of cat ears. Like they'll come in handy. Halloween, just for fun, just to pull back your hair around the house. Like, what's wrong with that? So I don't know, I just thought they were really cute, so I got them. Okay, so that was just a quick haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Budget Babe Dollar Tree video. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe themed, and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Budget Babe Tuesday. I hope to see you guys on Fabulous Friday. Bye, guys.